Let's look at how we're going to rewrite an equation in vertex form when we only know the vertex and the point it goes through, but we do not know the a value. So if we're given a vertex and a point, we can make a little sketch of this, what this may look like. So I'm given the vertex is -3, 5. So I'm going to go ahead and make a little sketch. So -2 would be here, -3, and 5, let's say, is somewhere here. So we are given a vertex that is here, and we are saying that the parabola will go through the point -2, 7. I'm going to go ahead and sketch that point. -2, 7 would be somewhere here. So it looks like our parabola will be something like this. And we want to know what the equation of this parabola is, but we don't know the a value. So let's look at the equation in vertex form. We actually know the vertex. We know that the vertex is hk. So this we are given. So h is -3. I could put that here, and k is 5. And we also know a point, -2, 7. Now, -2, 7 is an ordered pair, which means that is our x value here and our y value here, and the vertex we know is hk. So I'm going to go ahead and use this equation to plug in all our values. We will only have one unknown, a, and therefore we could just solve for a using a multi-step equation. So let's go ahead and plug in all our values. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to rewrite the equation in vertex form, which we know is y equals to a x minus h squared plus k. I'm going to go ahead and plug in the vertex. So the vertex is given as x minus -3. We're going to square this, plus our k value is 5. I don't know my a, and I'll rewrite the y. All right, so this is just plugging in my vertex. I also know, and I'm given, a point on the graph. So our x value is -2 and our y value is 7. So I'm going to go ahead and substitute those values into the equation. So that means this will be 7 is equal to a, and the x value is -2. I'm going to go ahead and simplify that. That's +3 squared plus 5. Once I have inputted the vertex and an ordered pair xy, which is given over here as -2, 7. So I can write this right here. This is -3, 5, and this point right here is -2, 7. It is a sketch, so it is approximate. I'm going to go ahead now and simplify and calculate the a value. So simplifying inside the parentheses, -2 plus 3 is 1, and 1 squared plus 5. I'm going to go ahead and simplify 1 squared. That is 1. So we are left with 7 equals to 1 squared is 1. So I could just write this as 1a plus 5. I actually don't even need to write 1a because 1a is just a. So I will rewrite this as 7 equals to a plus 5. Subtracting 5 on both sides, we get that the a value is equal to 2. Once I know that the a value is equal to 2, I can rewrite my equation. Now, this is the general form of an equation that is in vertex form, or also known graphing form. So the a value is 2. I'm going to go ahead and write that a value 2. What else do we know? We know that the vertex is -3, 5. So I'm going to go ahead and put that value in. So -3 becomes +3. And then our k value is 5. So here's our equation in vertex form that passes through the point -2, 7 with a vertex of -3, 5. So this equation of this parabola that we sketched has an a value of +2, which makes sense since the graph is opening upwards.